Hello guys, I hope you can hear me. We're gonna... Hello guys, I hope you can hear me. We're gonna start right away. Today I'm gonna be live streaming. What do you call it? Oh yeah, multiplying and dividing fractions. Let's get started right away. I'm on my A board already. Okay, so when we think of this, let me just write it down here as a title because it looks better. Wrong thing. Okay, of negative numbers. And I'm a bad speller. Dividing. Yeah, I'm not focused on that now. So, before we get into the problems, there's one thing into the multiplying and dividing fractions are the rules. These rules are super important. If you don't know them, you will probably get the question wrong. They're that important. So here are the rules. Let me get some text. Okay. The first rule is if you add a positive times or divide, if you multiply or there divide button, multiply or divide. Okay, if you multiply or divide a positive and a positive, your answer will always be a negative. I mean positive, not negative, positive. Always be a positive. If you multiply or divide a positive and a positive, your answer will always be a positive. So like 1 times 1, it'll always be 1. Positive 1. So the second rule is, let me add some new checks. I have an idea. Wait. This is annoying. What? Why isn't this working? See, Chelsea. Now, new checkbox. A positive and a negative. Your answer will always be a negative. If you do two different, it'll always be a negative. It's common. So, and the last rule of all is if you multiply or divide a negative with a can you guys give me a second? Okay guys, I'm back. I just had to deal with some things. Okay, so let's get back. If you multiply or divide a negative number, if you multiply a negative number, if you multiply or divide a negative number and a positive, and another negative number, your answer will always be a positive. Like, these are supreme important rules. Yeah, excuse my bad spelling. So, let's do some problems. Let's get the elementary eraser. Okay. So first, 5, -5 times 2. But then when you multiply negative numbers, it's the same. What's 5 times 2? 10. You have a negative and a positive. And the rules clearly say if you have those, a negative and positive, your answer will always be negative. Will always be negative. So that's your answer to the first one. Okay. Let's move on to the next problem now. The next problem will be 5, -5, divided by. Yeah, that's too easy. I have a better one. Let's do 5 times 5. They're both positive. And everyone knows 5 times 5 is 25. And since they're both positive, the answer is going to be positive. Easy, everyday multiplication. Let me just erase all that. Okay, next. What should I say? What problem should I use? -5 times -3. Well, 5 times 6 is 15, and if you have a negative and a negative, your answer is going to be positive. So your answer is positive 15. Now let's do some division problems. If you divide 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Everyone knows that. And since it's negative and a positive, it's going to be negative, but this rule clearly states. And the rules are the same for dividing and multiplying fractions. The answer will be -5. Okay, next question time. Okay. Now, let's do 30 divided by 6. They're both positive. The answer is going to be 5. You never know 30 divided by 6 is 5. Simple. And since our rules say a positive and a positive is a positive, that's 5. So now, -20 divided by -2. Everyone knows 20 divided by 2 is 10. And the rules clearly state if you have a negative divided by a negative, or times, you get a positive. So that's really all for today. Next time I'm probably gonna say when I do the stream, so I can actually watch it. So I hope I did good. If I did any mistakes, please leave down in the comments the mistakes I did. Okay guys, see you.